Hello children, welcome you in bio class. I am going to explain you glycolysis. You know respiration is completed in three major steps. First step is glycolysis, second is Krebs cycle, and third is electron transport system. So first step of respiration is glycolysis. Glycolysis, there are two Greek words, one is glykos, other is lysis. Glykos means sugar, lysis means splitting. During glycolysis, there is splitting of sugar. A series of reactions in which hexose sugar are converted into pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm of the cell without using oxygen is called glycolysis. So children, you have to learn what is glycolysis. Glycolysis is a series of reactions in which hexose sugars are converted into pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm of the cell without using oxygen. Glycolysis is completed in 9 steps. The various steps of the glycolysis were traced out by Imberden, Gustav Imberden, Otto Meyerhoff, and J. Franz. Therefore, the various steps of glycolysis are known as Imberden, Meyerhoff, Franz pathway. It is also known as EMP pathway. The glycolysis is completed in 9 steps. But major phases of glycolysis is conversion of glucose to fructose, 1,6-diphosphate. It is called phosphorylation. Second is splitting of fructose 1,6-diphosphate into 3 carbon compound, that is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Further, this 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into pyruvic acid. So, in the glycolysis, children, you see their glucose is going to break into, first glucose is going to change into glucose 6-phosphate. That is first phosphorylation. Glucose is phosphorylated in the presence of ATP into glucose 6-phosphate. Hexokinase enzyme catalyze this reaction. In the second step, glucose 6-phosphate change into fructose 6-phosphate. This reaction is called isomerization because molecular formula of the glucose and fructose are same. Their structural formula are different. So therefore the enzyme which catalyze the conversion of glucose 6-phosphate into fructose 6-phosphate, that is phosphohexoisomerase. Now fructose 6-phosphate will undergo second phosphorylation reaction in the presence of phosphofructokinase enzyme. Fructose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6-diphosphate in presence of ATP. So this I told, conversion of glucose to fructose 1,6-diphosphate is called phosphorylation. Again there is splitting of fructose 1,6-diphosphate in presence of enzyme aldolase. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate is split into 3-carbon compound 3-phospho glyceraldehyde or dihydroxy acetone phosphate. Three-phosphoglyceraldehyde can be converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate by phosphotriose isomerase enzyme. Next is phosphorylation and oxidative dehydrogenation of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde in the presence of enzyme phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. Then 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. This 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid is formed. Now further 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid change into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme phosphoglycerokinase. Then 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde converted into 2-phosphoglyceric acid by enzyme phosphoglyceromutase. Then 2-phosphoglyceric acid change into 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme enolase. Now 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid change into pyruvic acid by enzyme pyruvate kinase. So children, glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. Number of enzymes are involved in this. First, glucose change into glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate change into fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate change into fructose 1,6-diphosphate, fructose 1,6-diphosphate is split into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde change into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid change into 3-phosphoglyceric acid, then 3-phosphoglyceric acid change into 2-phosphoglyceric acid, and 2-phosphoglyceric acid change into 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and finally 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid change into pyruvic acid. So this conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid occurs in cytoplasm of the cell. This conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid is called glycolysis.